Ugh. Oh man, I need a holiday so bad, baby girl.
Well, I could go into work for you tomorrow.
No, it's okay.
I just press buttons.
Yeah. That job's a bit more complicated than pressing buttons. I gotta draw pictures.
I know, and I've seen you do it. So you just send me messages on what to do.
Oh, okay. Sounds like a
I know
plan.
most of it. Yeah, just give me one of your air control shots. I'll just... Right, I'm safe.
That guy with the thing.
Yeah.
Just blend in, you reckon?
Yeah.
I am Shane.
Beep, boop, beep, beep.
Bippity bob. Buzz clink whir.
So is it a deal?
No, I don't know, Bob.
And you know how you've been riding the bike into work?
Yeah?
I can just ride my bike.
Yeah.
Like, bibbidi bobbidi boo. I'm on a motorbike.
Okay.
Or I ride the electric bike because technically it's a motorbike because it's electric.
Ah, yeah, I suppose it does have a motor.
And I wear my helmet and gear and just like, oh yeah, I just got an upgrade. And if they ask, oh, where'd you get the second arm? I just say my other arm grew out.
Yeah, grew out.
Yeah, my arm grew out in like 2 to 3 business days.
Yeah, that's the one. Speedy delivery.
Yeah, I was supposed to finally deliver it after 25 years.
Yeah. Slack.
Very. So, do we do it?
No, it's alright, Bubs. I quite like going to work. It's my thing. Can't take that from me. I just need a holiday. Yeah, you go.
Well, technically you are having a holiday and you're getting paid for it. Win-win.